Present Perfect Continuous, Grammar Activation Pack 9. Continuous aspect. Just to recap from earlier grammar activation packs, the continuous aspect of the present and past tense is marked by the auxiliary verb be plus the ing form of the verb. If you see the verb be followed by an ing form, it's the continuous aspect. Verb to be plus ing is really all you need to know to identify the continuous aspect. Perfect aspect. I'll remind you also that perfect means finished or complete. Indeed, it's sometimes called the complete aspect, though this can be misleading, particularly with the present perfect continuous, where we talk about things that are not complete. The perfect aspect of the present tense is marked by the auxiliary verb have plus the past participle. Remember that the tenses are shown by the auxiliary verbs be, do, and have. If we have the present tense of have followed by a past participle, we have the present perfect. Perfect continuous aspect. So, if have plus a past participle gives us the perfect aspect, and be plus ing gives us the continuous aspect, then together we should get the perfect continuous aspect. I've been creating 2 to 3 grammar activation packs every week since January. That's easy enough, isn't it? Well, it's easy enough to name the aspects and the tenses, but you may be wondering how, when, and where we should use the perfect continuous aspect. Present perfect continuous. In this grammar activation pack, we'll look at the present tense perfect continuous aspect. The very name of the structure tells us a lot about it. The present tense tells us there's a connection with the present, that is, now. The perfect aspect uses the past participle, which shows a connection to the past. The continuous aspect talks about something happening over a period of time, in this case from a time in the past to the present. Continuation to present. I've been writing this grammar activation pack since yesterday. An unfinished action still in progress. I've been making English activation packs for many months. Repeated continuous actions still in progress. Hundreds of students have been using my English activation packs since I started making them. Repeated continuous actions still in progress. Here I'm talking about ongoing things which started in the past, continue into the present, and probably into the future too. Free English material. Are you a Britlisher yet? These lucky people are. They're all enjoying the ton of free English language learning material they got when they became a Britlisher at Britlish.com. Get your free welcome pack today at Britlish.com. Closed questions. Closed questions get a yes or no response. Have I been doing it? Have we been doing it? Have you been doing it? Have they been doing it? Has he been doing it? Has she been doing it? Has it been doing it? Positive statements. I've been doing it. We've been doing it. You've been doing it. They've been doing it. He's been doing it. She's been doing it. It's been doing it. positive statements with just. We can use the time marker just with positive statements. I've just been doing it. We've just been doing it. You've just been doing it. They've just been doing it. He's just been doing it. She's just been doing it. It's just been doing it. Negative statements. I've not been doing it. We've not been doing it. You've not been doing it. They've not been doing it. He's not been doing it. She's not been doing it. It's not been doing it. Open questions. Open questions get more information than closed questions. Why have I been doing it? Where have we been doing it? When have you been doing it? What have they been doing? Who's been doing it? How's she been doing it? How's it been doing it? Rhetorical questions. Rhetorical questions are questions that have an obvious answer and are used to draw attention to something or express frustration, anger, or other emotions. We begin these yes-no rhetorical questions with the contracted form of have not. Haven't I been doing it? Hasn't she just been doing it? These questions suggest you expect a yes response and express frustration. Questions about time. Closed questions get a yes or no answer. Open questions get more detailed answers to 5WH questions. Sometimes we want to find out the duration of a particular action from the past to the present. We get this information by asking a present perfect continuous question, starting with how long? How long have you been teaching English? I've been teaching English for many years. I've been teaching English since 2003. For is used with the present perfect continuous to introduce a period of time. How long have you been living in Spain? We don't have to use for at the end of a spoken question. I've been living in Spain for 16 years. Since. Since is used with the present perfect continuous to show a continuation from a point in time to the present. How long have you been living in Spain? I've been living in Spain since 2003. Since is not used in open questions. Finished or not. Present perfect continuous is used when a continuous action that affects the present hasn't finished or has only just finished. I've been teaching English for many years. I'm still teaching English. The fact that a continuous action has finished is normally indicated by the context. You look tired. Yes, I've been teaching for the past 8 hours. The context, my visible tiredness, the effect of the continuous action on the present, says that I have only just finished teaching. Temporary situations. I've been teaching a lot more students than usual lately. This is a temporary situation, ongoing but likely to finish sooner rather than later, and it uses the word lately. We could also say recently or in the past few weeks or similar expressions. Many more students have been taking out memberships at British recently. I've been helping many more students in the past couple of months since I started making my English activation packs. Grammar Activator. The best way to activate the present perfect continuous is to do some exercises where I can ask you some questions and tell you whether you're right or wrong. You can do this in the Grammar Activator, which is available on the next page. Just click the Start Quiz button to begin. You'll be asked some random questions from a bank of questions testing your understanding of when to use the present perfect continuous. Each time you complete the Grammar Activator, you can refresh your browser and a new set of questions will be created for you. The Grammar Activator is only available at Britlish.com. English activation packs are only available at Britlish.com. Become a Britlisher and get free activation packs today. I look forward to welcoming you as a Britlisher at Britlish.com soon. Goodbye for now.